Hey guys! This is a quick demo on how NanoSec secures your server from lateral movement and exfiltration. First and foremost, let's walk through the Learn mode of NanoSec. This shows the intended behavior of your system. We have two Windows machines for this demo, one client and one server. We have system processes on both the machines communicating to external machines over the internet. As you can see in the process graph, we also have the client feeding data to the MongoDB database of server on port 27017, which is an intended behavior in this case. Now, in the absence of NanoSec, let's see how an attacker gets access to the data in the server. We have the attacker machine, which is listening to two ports, 4443 and 4442, for gaining access to the client and server machine shells respectively. Let's assume the client is vulnerable and already has an executable client malware uploaded in it. Once executed, attacker gets access to the client shell. Through the client shell, the attacker tries to run a second server malware on the server machine using the psexec command. This is how lateral movement is achieved. Server malware gives the attacker access to its shell. The attacker can then download the database data with ease. This is the exfiltration part. Now to see how NanoSec prevents this from happening using NanoShield. We start NanoShield on client and server machines. NanoShield has the capability to learn and create its own policies. It also lets the user set their own policies. To guide you through the process, let's do a manual policy setup. To prevent exfiltration of data from the server to the attacker machine, all we have to do is create a policy that says it allows communication only from the client to the server machine. We then deploy the exfiltration policy in enforce mode. This will block all incoming traffic which does not originate from client. It also blocks all external traffic. The red line indicates that the particular traffic has been blocked, thus preventing exfiltration. That particular policy still allows client to run server malware on the server machine, since we allow all client-to-server traffic. To prevent lateral movement, we go to the process level of the policies. We only want the Mongo client process communicating to the Mongo server process. Let's deploy the lateral policy in enforce mode. This blocks psexec from execution, even though it's a system process. Apart from all the restrictions in exfiltration policy, this also blocks all traffic from client which does not originate from the Mongo client process. As you can see in the graph, although system procs comes from client, we do not allow it to communicate with the server. Hence, even if one of your clients are vulnerable and exposed by any chance, NanoSec prevents the attacker from entering any other machine, thus securing your system.